Did you know that Stephen King's first novel was rejected 30 times before it was published? Self-doubt can hold back even the most talented writers. Let's explore why self-doubt creeps in and, more importantly, how you can conquer it. Step 1. Commit to daily writing. Samuel always had a passion for storytelling, but every time he sat down to write, self-doubt crept in. He worried that his ideas weren't original or good enough. To overcome this, he committed to writing for 15 minutes every day. This small, consistent practice helped him build confidence. Think about it. Writing daily, even if it's just a few sentences, can gradually eliminate the fear of the blank page. The key is consistency. Samuel found that over time, these short writing sessions added up to significant progress, helping him complete his first draft much faster than he anticipated. Now that you've established a daily writing habit, the next step is to reinforce your progress with positive feedback. Step 2, use positive reinforcements. Start each writing session with positive affirmations and celebrating small achievements helps Samuel and Tammy. Keeping a journal of positive feedback and accomplishments can shift your mindset and reduce self-doubt. For example, Tammy kept a journal where she recorded every piece of positive feedback she received, no matter how small. She found that revisiting these positive notes before her writing sessions boosted her confidence and motivation. So consider creating a similar journal to remind yourself of your progress and a positive reception of your work. With positive reinforcement in place, it's crucial to optimize your writing process. This brings us to the next step, separating writing from editing. Step 3, separating writing from editing. Tammy learned to separate the writing and editing processes. She focused on getting her ideas down without worrying about perfection. Using timed writing sprints can help you write freely and reduce self-doubt. Many writers struggle with editing as they write, which can slow down the creative process. By separating these tasks, you can allow your creativity to flow uninterrupted. So Tammy used writing sprints, setting a timer for 20 minutes and focus solely on writing. This technique helped her produce more content without the pressure of immediate perfection. And after refining her writing processes, it's beneficial to seek external support. Let's explore how joining a supportive community can make a difference. Step 4, join a supportive community. Samuel joined an online writers forum where he posted daily writing goals and progress. The encouragement from others kept him motivated. Seeking feedback and engaging with a supportive community can provide valuable insights and boost your confidence. Joining a writing group or an online community can offer invaluable support. Sharing your work with others and receiving constructive feedback can help you see your writing from different perspectives. Additionally, the camaraderie and shared experiences with these communities can significantly reduce feelings of isolation and self-doubt. With a community to support you, the final step is to set achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Step 5, set realistic goals and milestones. Dylan was an analytical by nature and often overthought every detail of his writing. By setting clear, achievable milestones and focusing on the process rather than the outcome, he overcame his self-doubt. Celebrating each milestone to maintain motivation, setting realistic goals can help you manage your expectations and track your progress effectively. Dylan found that breaking his writing project into smaller, manageable tasks made the process less overwhelming. Celebrating each completed milestone, whether it was finishing a chapter or reaching a word count goal, kept him motivated and focused. These 5 steps formed a solid foundation, but there are more strategies to help you on your journey. Here are some additional tips that I believe will really help you. 1. Set realistic goals. Break down your writing project into manageable tasks and achievable goals. This can help prevent feeling overwhelmed and reduce self-doubt. 2. Create a writing routine. Establish a regular writing routine that fits your lifestyle. Consistency can help build confidence and improve your writing skills over time. 3. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to seek constructive feedback from peers or mentors. Feedback can provide valuable insights and help you improve your work. In addition to these tips, managing self-doubt often requires specific strategies. Let's explore some more techniques to help you stay positive and motivated. 1. Learn to accept imperfection. Understand that no first draft is perfect. Embrace the process of revision and improvement. 2, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with positive influences, whether through books, podcasts, or supportive communities to maintain a positive mindset. 3, track your progress. Keep a record of your progress and accomplishments. Seeing how far you've come can boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. For those of you with an analytical mindset, here are some additional pieces of advice to balance thoroughness with creativity. Use tools and resources. Leverage tools and resources to organize your research and writing process. Tools like Trello can help you stay on track. Balance analysis with creativity. While planning is important, allow yourself the freedom to be creative and spontaneous in your writing. Stay open to feedback. Analytical minds can benefit greatly from external perspectives. Regularly seek feedback to refine your work and alleviate self-doubt. If you're looking for a structured, step-by-step guide to achieving success on Amazon KDP, enroll in my course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. This course offers proven, unspoken strategies to position your book for optimal results. The link is in the description. Moving on, whether it's daily writing, positive reinforcement, or thorough planning, these methods can help you thrive on Amazon KDP. Remember, every successful publisher, self-publisher, started somewhere. Stay committed, stay positive, and keep self-publishing. Until next time.